Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you what I have done in Python's graphic user interface in Tkinter. I have basically created the I-Class system, and it has the online, offline and grading system. So if you can click the run, and you can see the window here. This is the first window. If you fill the ID and password, for example, I have put it a random ID and password. For example, let's say one ID and password, for example. If you, for example, this is a real ID and password that I have put it inside the code. If you fill the wrong code, for example, here, it will not log in. You see, the username or password you enter is incorrect. And if you forgot the password, ID and password, you can click this forgot password function. You see your ID is this and your password is this. Okay, then we will remove and we will click the real ID and password. It will log in. The new window will be pop out, and in this window you can see the 5 courses. For example, if we click the software programming course, these are all buttons. So you can see another window using, I have used the tab control system in this window. For example, there are 3 types of frames: online attendance, offline attendance and grades. For example, if you click the online attendance and offline attendance is another, and grades is another. And I have created using a table. For example, you can fill these resources. For example, let me show you one example. For example, you can fill the watch it time, and if the student is attended, you can just write attended, or if he is absent, you can make absent. For example, let's write absent, add attendance. You see that it is added here, and the offline attendance is the same. Week 8, for example, let's write class 8 and is absent. For example, we can add offline attendance, you see. And grade is also almost the same. You can calculate the course total and fill the grade range and percentage, and you can write the total grade, for example. This is all about it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next upcoming videos.